everyone, our sound today is a stretchy sound and it's the sound ng. 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 Well done. Let's have a little look at our picture cards. So here we have a king. Excellent. Can you hear it stretching? This ng comes at the end of the word this time. Here we have a wing. Well done. Oh, here are some baby lambs, and I know that they're born in the spring. And this little boy, what's he doing? Sing. Well done, great work. Now, this ng sound is a special friend sound. So it's made up of two letters, okay? It's made up of a n and a g. And when we put them together, they make a new sound, ng. Let me draw it on the board for you while you're watching. So we're going to say ng. Special friends. And we'll find this ng sound at the end of words. So as you're listening to the words today, listen carefully because we will hear this sound at the end of the words. Okay? Now then, here is our ng sound. Ng. Excellent. So we're going to hide it in the middle of our pile. Okay? So we're ready to go through them and practice them. So this sound is ch, ch, y, a, s, e, ng. Oh, ng. Wow, you're so clever. I forgot. Well done, you. Ng, our new sound. D, t, I, x, n. V, b, qu, k, z, o, g, p, and ch. Excellent. Now then, here is our ng sound. Can you say it? And here is the picture that's going to help us to remember it. So we have a cat. Cats like to play with toys and strings. And this cat is playing with a thing on a string. He doesn't know what it is, so he just calls it a thing. So that's what's going to help us to remember. We're going to say a thing on a string. Can you see? Here's the green thing and here's the long string. Can you say that? A thing on a string. Excellent. So when we write the ng sound, we're going to say a thing on a string. But before we write it, let's see if we can remember that. So, will I show you the ng sound, or will I show you the thing on a string? Good try. A thing on a string. Let's say this time. Ng. Remember to stretch it. It's a stretchy sound. Well done. And one more. ng. Great stretching. We put it there and we're going to practice to write our ng sound. Have you got your pen ready at home? Perfect. Now then, we're going to make sure that they are together because they are special friends. Okay? We all ready? What do we need to say? A thing on a string. Let's go. A thing on a string. There we go. Ng. I'm going to do another one now. A thing on a string. And one more. Are you ready? A thing on a string. Well done, everybody. Remember, pause the video or finish at the end. Or when we're finished at the end, you can do some more practicing. Okay, because some of these sounds are a little bit tricky. But you're doing very, very well. Now, I'm going to rub these out. So I've got some more space so we can do some speed writing. And I think because we're doing a special friend sound, we will practice some of our other special friend sounds. So the first one we're going to do is stick that tongue out. And what does the princess say to the horse? Well done. Thank you. So we need to say, thank you, said the princess to the horse. Ready? Thank you, said the princess to the horse. Our first special friends. Next, we need to do ch. Now, what happens then? The caterpillar makes the horse sneeze and he says, chew, doesn't he? So we need to say, chew, said the horse to the caterpillar. Ready? Chew, said the horse to the caterpillar. And our next special friend sound I'd like you to write is shh. And what happens this time? The snake is hissing and the horse doesn't like it. So he tells the snake to shh. So we say shh, says the horse to the snake. Okay? Shh, says the horse to the hissing snake. Excellent. So we need to make sure that they're together, and then there's a space, together, there's a space, together. Perfect. Well done, everybody. Now then, it's time to make some words. Has Fred been thinking of words with our new ng sound this time? Have you managed, Fred? Yes? Excellent. Come on then, tell us the first one. Ooh, w-i-ng. Wing. Excellent. Ooh, we're getting good at this, Fred. Next one, okay. K-I-ng. King. Well done, you. Ooh. S-a-ng. Song. Do you like singing songs, Fred? He does. One more, okay. F-I-ng. Thing. It's like the thing on the string that the cat was playing with, isn't it? Yes? Well, that's it for today. See you next time.